Hi, I'm Yesenia Velasquez. I'm 48 years old and I'm from Mexico City. And this is my fourth video with Dr. Ilya. And I have three others in which I talk about my health problems. And these problems was bronchitis, low energy, hormonal imbalance, um, and anxiety. Uh, at that time, at the beginning of my treatment with Dr. Ilya, I felt so tired, so in a bad mood all the time. But at the first treatment with Dr. Ilya, I feel instant relief with my pain body, and my energy was much better. It was so exciting for me to feel like that, and I was very enthusiastic to continue to be treated by Dr. Ilya. So I did, and there is one important thing that I want to talk about. I was taking one 10 milligrams Lexapro pill for anxiety. I was taking that medicine for a long time, and the doctor started after these 3.5 months with Dr. Ilya. I was able to get off of the medicine. That for me is so, it's, I'm so grateful with Dr. Ilya for that, because I thought that I never be able to leave that medicine, but now I did. I did, and I'm so happy with that medicine. And also, I want to say that my mood is better. I can sleep better. I can. My energy is much better too, and it's amazing because after what happened with my body, I have cancer a few years ago, and I have a hysterectomy. And after that surgery, my body was really bad. It had my hormonal balance was, it wasn't balanced. It was imbalanced. No? I feel very sad, very tired all the time. And now that I can see that all of these things pass, that I feel so better. I feel so much healthy because I feel healthy, and I feel that I can do my daily duty, but with energy and happy. For me, that's amazing, because after being in antidepressant, living with antidepressive, and now in 3.5 months, I could able to leave that medicine, to be out for that medicine. For me, it's amazing. That's something that I always wanna be grateful with Dr. Ilya. And also, I lost 24 pounds in these 3.5 months. So I couldn't be more happy. And I just want to say thank you so much, Dr. Ilya, for everything.